GoPro just overheated. So we're gonna take a little break. So that's cool. That's whatever. Okay, guys. Where were we at? So we just got the exhaust bolts off. So now I just gotta finish getting the header bolts off, and this header should just come right on up. No, I can't remember what size I used. So there's that. That's anyway. Let's look at this now. Oh, shit. Okay. This is your fucking bolts out of here. Oh, one more. Okay. No. I don't know why I just don't grab the fucking Milwaukee. Nice. Okay, boys, last but not... Oh, I'm not lying. Wait, no. This might be the last one right here, actually. Okay. Theoretically, this should just kinda go like this right here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Old headers are out. As I get this gasket off here. Please don't break, please don't break. Oh my gosh, dude, when has that ever happened? Okay. So now we'll just spray some brake cleaner on that. Wipe all that down good. Let it dry up. And we'll start installing new headers. Okay guys, we just got the new headers in. We just got everything slightly tightened down. So now all I have to do finish on this side is tighten the new headers in and put the new cold air intake in. Oh, and spark plugs and wires. So yeah, that should be it for that. Alright guys, now I just gotta get this on there. Okay, now I just gotta get the other one on there. All right. Oh, that's pretty good. So now, moving on to spark plugs. It should be good to go.